Residential roof replacement in Elgin, Illinois usually is not top of mind until something feels off. A small ceiling stain, a shingle in the yard. Those clues can signal a roof nearing the end. Start outside and check the shingles. Curling, cracked, or missing shingles can mean your roof is losing its first layer of protection. Dark streaks and worn patches are also warning signs. Check details around chimneys, skylights, and roof vents. Loosed, flashing, and exposed nail heads can allow water to seep under shingles. That hidden moisture can lead to rot, mold, and interior damage. Next, look at gutters and the ground below. Sand-like granules or shingle pieces suggest the roof surface is wearing out. Granule loss can speed aging and increase leak risk. Inside, watch for top floor stains and paint that peels or bubbles. Musty odors upstairs can point to slow leaks. In the attic, damp insulation or darkened wood can signal ongoing moisture. Age matters too. When a roof nears 20 years, weak spots become more common. Repeating repairs can cost more than planning a replacement. For many homeowners, planning ahead reduces stress and surprises. Residential roof replacement in Cook and Kane County, Illinois often becomes necessary after years of wind, snow, and summer heat. A clear plan helps you stay in control. Apex Exteriors Incorporated starts with a careful inspection and clear photos. We explain whether repair or replacement is the best fit for your situation. You receive a detailed estimate that covers materials and labor. If you are seeing warning signs, do not wait for a major leak to force a decision. Contact Apex Exteriors Incorporated to discuss residential roof replacement in Elgin, Illinois, and your next steps.